Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this stage, I'd like to sing Ein komisches Liedle. And it's called The Sick Note, or Why Paddy's Not at Work Today. Seems like a good few people heard this one before. Amazingly, there might be somebody who didn't. So for their benefit, I'd better explain that this song is all about a man called Paddy, who had einen Unfall auf einer Baustelle where he was working. And in diesem accident, he is very badly verletzt. And wegen the injuries, he cannot go to work am anderen Tag. So he writes eine Entschuldigung to his Arbeitgeber, indem erklärt den Grund für his Abwesenheit at work. And that's what the song is all about. There's a bit of Desperanto. The letter begins, Dear Sir, like this. Dear Sir, I write this note to you to tell you of me plight. And at the time of writing, I am not a pretty sight. Me body is all black and blue, me face deathly grey. And I write this note to say why Paddy's not at work today. While working on the 14th floor, some bricks I had to clear. Now to throw them down from such a height, it was not a good idea. The foreman wasn't very pleased, he being an awkward sod. He said I'd have to take them down the ladders in me hod. Now clearing all these bricks by hand, it was so very slow. So I hoisted up a barrel and secured the rope below. But in me haste to do the job, I was too blind to see that a barrel full of building bricks was heavier than me. So when I untied the rope, the barrel fell like lead. And clinging tightly to the rope, I started up instead. Well, I shot up like a rocket till to my dismay I found that halfway up I met the bloody barrel coming down. Well, the barrel broke me shoulder as to the ground it sped. And when I reached the top, I banged the pulley with me head. Well, I clung on tight, though numbed with shock from this almighty blow. And the barrel spilled out half the bricks 14 floors below. Now, when these bricks had fallen from the barrel to the floor, I then outweighed the barrel and so started down once more. Still clinging tightly to the rope, I sped towards the ground, and I landed on the broken bricks that were all scattered round. Well, I lay there groaning on the ground. I thought I'd passed the worst when the barrel hit the pulley wheel and then the bottom burst. Well, a shower of bricks rained down on me. I hadn't got a hope. As I lay there moaning on the ground, I let go the bloody rope. The barrel then being heavier, it started down once more and landed right across me as I lay upon the floor. Well, it broke 3 ribs and my left arm, and I can only say that I hope you understand why Paddy's not at work today. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank für Ihr Verständnis und auch Mitleid.